Whether you want to call it an oil separator or an oil catch can, the job is the same. Keep oil vapors from going back through the intake of your Mustang, which can hurt performance over time. So today we're going to install a Mishimoto catch can on our 2018 Mustang GT. Now, while you can install a catch can on both sides of your engine, the passenger or PCV side is where you're going to get most of the benefit, and that's where this Mishimoto is going to mount. This is going to fit your 2018 through 2020 Mustang GT. It includes the mounting bracket, the catch can, and the hoses. The can itself simply unscrews to drain it. You see it has a multi-stage filter built inside. Begin the installation by removing the strut tower brace if it's equipped, and after that, we're going to pop off the engine cover. Pop off that little cover, remove the nut. Next, we're going to disconnect and remove the factory PCV hose, push up on the gray clips, pop right off. Next, we're going to remove our radiator cover. So we 8 of these little clips. All right, with the cover off, remove these 2 bolts here for the radiator bracket. Slide it off. The bracket for our catch can is going to replace this upper radiator bracket, so we have to take this insulator off and move it over to our Mishimoto bracket. It's in the same location. Give you a quick visual on how it's going to work. Basically, this is going to replace it. That'll bolt in. Our catch can is going to mount right over here. Now you're going to grab your catch can with supplied fittings. We have to remove these 3 little screws now to put it onto the bracket. So what you want to do is just figure out orientation. So kind of line it up and put it down into place here. Just make sure everything's going to clear. And we can remove these and install it to the bracket. I'm going to step just a little further away from the engine because these are tiny and I do not want to drop one. Now we can install this back in here to hold the radiator in place. Factory hardware to the factory location. Grab the longer hose here. This can connect to the intake side. Then put a hose clamp on this side and put it to the outlet on our catch can. A shorter hose goes to the PCV on the valve cover. And then connect to the catch can, install the clamp. You're going to reinstall the radiator cover and the engine cover, and your installation is finished. The Mishimoto oil catch can could be a factory option. It looks factory when it's installed, it's completely hidden, and it adds some more protection to our engine. I mean, even the OEMs are getting on board with oil separators. The new GT500 track pack comes with one from the factory, so there's definitely some value to it. The installation is pretty straightforward, take you about 45 minutes, and be back on the road in no time.